everyone, we are from Group 4 and we will present to you about our discuss from a journal, and the title of the journal is Identification by GCMS Analysis of Organics in Manufactured Articles Through the Optimal Design. The journal authors are Monica Rokmanoli, Valeria Poliotto, Eugenia Aladio, and Marco Pazzi.
The paper therefore targets the quality control sector of composite manufacturing, phenolic and cardinal phenolic resins, providing a GCMS or the optimal design method to identify the specific organic binder in manufactured articles and to distinguish between different resin types, manufacturers, and production routes. This analytical approach enables companies to verify resin composition, detect incomplete curing, and protect proprietary formulation in their finished product.
Phenolic resins are used in many industrial products, but once they are heated and cured, they become very hard to analyze. Current tools can easily identify the inorganic parts of a product, but they cannot detect or differentiate the organic binders like cured phenolic or cardinal resins. This can make quality control difficult, especially since cardinal resins can change depending on production method. This research aims to create a simple and effective way to characterize them using solvent extraction and GCMS that optimize through the optimal design.
The analytical method by the study that used is GCMS because it can effectively separate and identify compound from the extraction process. GC separates the mixture into individual components, while MS identifies each compound based on its mass spectrum. This method is chosen because it is highly sensitive, accurate, and suitable for volatile and semi-volatile compounds. It can also detect compounds in small amounts and provide detailed chemical information. Therefore, GCMS help research compare different extraction methods and determine which one gives the best result.
Now it's time for sample and preparation. The identification of the compound in the samples was performed by comparing the mass spectra of the unknown molecules with those in the NIST 05. Identification of the compound was valid when the confidence rating of mass spectra comparison was superior or equal to 90. The preparation of the sample is chocolate extraction. Extraction was carried out using 3.0 gram of the sample with 200 milliliters of solvent. Extraction was performed for 18 hours in an oil bath at 95 degrees Celsius. Finally, it was dried and solubilized in 1 milliliters of solvent. Second is sonication extraction. Sonication extraction was carried out on 0.5 gram of the sample with 5 milliliters of solvent in a test tube for 40 minutes. After centrifugation, 15 minutes, 1 milliliters of supernatant was recovered for the analysis. Now it's time for measurement procedures. We use GCMS analysis procedures. First, samples were injected by splitless mode. Helium was used as a gas carrier with a flow rate of 1.1 milliliters min 1. The following oven temperature program was applied. First, for the 24 minutes analysis, held at 50 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Increased to 300 degrees Celsius at a rate of 15 degrees Celsius min 1 and maintained at 300 degrees Celsius for 5.33 minutes. For the 30 minutes analysis, held at 60 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes, increased at 300 degrees Celsius at a rate of 15 degrees Celsius min 1, and maintained at 300 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. EI energy was 70 eV and it was held at 230 degrees Celsius. A solvent delay of 4 minutes was set. Detection was carried out in a full scan mode covering a mass range of 29 until 600 ml.
Name and molecular structure of the organic compound analyzed. This slide shows the main organic compound identified by GCMS, which are used as markers to distinguish different types of resin, especially cardinal resin and phenolic resin. The first organic compound is phenol. Phenol is the main aromatic compound found in phenolic resin. Phenol found in many samples. Not specific, but it is important because phenol is a basic structure. It acts as a fundamental building block of the resin. The second organic compound, 3-pentadecyl phenol. 3-pentadecyl phenol, this is a characteristic compound of cardinal resin. It is very important because contain a long chain alkyl derived from chesonutzel liquid. From journal, 3-pentadecyl phenol is used to differentiate raw materials. If this compound is detected, it strongly indicates the presence of cardinal resin. The third organic compound, hexadecanoic acid. This compound belongs to long-chain carboxylic acid. The function of hexadecanoic acid acts as a marker for cardinal resin. Because cardinal contain long hydrocarbon chains, it helps confirm the presence of cardinal-based materials. And the last organic compound, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is an aromatic compound detected in GCMS analysis. The function of benzaldehyde indicator of phenolic derivative. It showed that phenolic-related reaction or compounds are present. In the conclusion, this compound help identify the type of resin. Phenol is common, while 3-pentadecyl phenol and long-chain acid are strong indicators of cardinal resin. From journal, this matches the study where GCMS identifies material based on their characteristic compounds.
So, in a conclusion, the combination of GC and MS and the optimal design help improve the identification of organic compounds in raw and processed materials. The study showed that chocolate extraction using the dichloromethan and acetone was the most effective. The analysis time did not give a big difference, so the faster method was chosen. The result made it easier to distinguish between different materials, manufacturers, and production methods, and also to identify raw materials in finished product for quality control.
Thank you for watching.